Okay, triangles, day 2. The sum of the angle measures of a triangle is 180 degrees. The measure of angle A plus the measure of angle B plus the measure of angle C always equals 180 degrees. After an accident, the positions of cars are measured by law enforcement to investigate the collision. This really happens. Use the diagram drawn from the information collected to find the measure of angle X, Y, Z. X, Y, Z. Well, if we want X, Y, Z, that's this guy. Now we know that the angles add to 180 degrees. So 62 degrees plus 40 degrees plus the measure of angle X, Y, Z equals 180 degrees. Combine like terms. 102 degrees plus the measure of angle X, Y, Z equal 180 degrees. Subtract 102 from each side, and the measure of angle X, Y, Z has to be equal to 78 degrees. Excellent. Now this is really important stuff. A corollary is a theorem whose proof follows directly from another theorem. A corollary is a theorem whose proof follows directly from another theorem. Here are two corollaries to the triangle sum theorem. Corollary 1. The acute angles of a right triangle are complementary. If we have a right triangle, DEF, then angle D plus angle E have to add up to 90 degrees. By definition, we call that complementary angles. Why do they have to add up to 90 degrees? Because a right angle has 90 degrees, and the triangle sum theorem tells us that the three angles together add to 180 degrees. What else? The measure of each angle of an equiangular triangle is 60 degrees. The hypothesis, if we have an equiangular triangle where the measure of angle A is equal to the measure of angle B is equal to the measure of angle C, then each one has to measure 60 degrees. The measure of angle A equals the measure of angle B equals the measure of angle C equals 60 degrees. Three angles, they have to add to 180 degrees. Therefore, and to wit, we divide 180 by 3. Each angle is 60 degrees.